Hi, I would like to thank VUFOXT for sending me this pickleball set so that I could tell you all of the great features about this. And I want to start with the traveling bag. So this is nice. It has a strap here on the back that is adjustable, so you could just kind of sling it over your shoulder like this to go do pickleball. It's got an all three-sided zipper. So the bottom is what doesn't zip, so it'll zip all the way around. It comes with, well, let me just show you what it comes with. Okay, so it does, like I said, have the zipper that goes around three sides with two zippers. And so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It comes with the 4 pickleballs. It comes with 2 paddles. And then it also comes with these straps as well. So these are so nice. They've got a nice cushioned grip here. And it's got a nice grip. It is not slippery at all. And I won't say it's sticky, but it just kind of has that feel that really wants to stick well. And then it's got the reinforcement around the paddles, as you can see here. It's both on the front and back, the same pattern. And it's a really good, sturdy pickleball paddle, but very, very lightweight. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to give this as a gift to a friend, and she is going to absolutely love it. By the way, this comes in different colors. It also comes with like 2 paddles, 4 paddles, like that as the set. So I think the best part about this is the case. So I highly recommend this pickleball set. Thanks.